Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Tamil Nadu on October 15, 1931. He studied in Fort High School, from where he passed the higher secondary examination and went on to graduate from St. Joseph College. He obtained his AMIT in Aeronautic Engineering from the Madras Institution of Technology in 1957. After completing his study, he joined Hindustan Aeronautic Limited in Bangalore for his unparalleled contribution as a scientist. He has received many awards: the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, the Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration in 1997, and on November 25, 1997, Dr. Kamal was awarded India's highest civilization honor, Bharat Ratna. In 1999, he was appointed Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India and given the rank of Cabinet Minister. On December 8, 2000, he received the Lifetime Contribution Award in Engineering presented by Siri Casey Tent, Deputy Chairperson of Planning Commission. The 71-year-old scientist was installed as India's 11th President on July 25, 2000. As President of India, Dr. Kamal remained a true advisor at heart. He lived a simple life and was broad-minded in his thinking. In his free time, he played with children and also enjoyed writing poetry in his mother tongue, Tamil. By nature, Dr. Kamal is a deeply religious man.